Hello everyone and welcome back to Money Mentor. You can earn up to $500 by writing articles without being a professional writer. All you need to know is how to copy and paste and use Google. It's simple, and we're going to show you exactly how it can be done. Today we are going to learn how you can earn $500 per day by using Google's copy and paste trick. Make sure you stay until the end so you don't miss out on how to earn in a super simple way. Number 7. Go to Money Pantry. Money Pantry is a blog site which provides information about personal finances on how to spend, earn, and save money. To benefit from Money Pantry, first you need to visit the website moneypantry.com/getpaidtowrite. This website is free, so you're not going to be required to pay startup fees or any investment of that kind. Checking out this website, you will see that you can earn $50,000 to $3,000 per blog post, which is a lot of money and pay is relatively fast. Also, if you scroll on this website, you'll find several websites that will pay you instantly to write. Also, there are different categories that you can write about, so you'll be able to choose which category best suits you. There are categories for things like travel, which require you to write about travel, and categories like general interest, where you're required to write about anything and everything and get paid for it. You write, submit it to the website, and when it's approved, you get paid. Using the website Vibrant Light as an example, under the general interest category, you will see that this website wants the articles to be about health, exercise, nutrition, and other related topics. Make sure to read and understand what the website requires so that you can write correct and quality articles. Once you know what to write about, you will then continue to write the actual articles. Using this list, you will be creating articles based on the information you gathered from the different blog sites shown on the list. You will know how to copy and paste and use online tools to write fantastic documents that you can then submit and get accepted. Money Pantry is expansive with over 100 website links to check out. You will find what suits you best and earn a lot of money by writing, and it's straightforward to write these articles, so you're not going to want to miss out on how to do it. Number 6. Go to Quora. Quora is a website providing answers to your questions. It's a platform where you will get all the information and ideas for your articles, hence you will start earning. When using Quora, first you will not be required to sign up. On the top of the page, you will find the search bar. Using the search bar, type in what you want to search, like in a scenario where you are writing for an article about health and fitness. You can search for something like how to lose weight without exercise and then click on the search button. The results will show, and from the results, you're going to realize that other people have already searched for your answers or a similar question. If, however, the questions have been answered, it will be of great benefit to you. You will also click on one of the questions on the page and look at the answers that you can then use to gather information on your topic. Using these sites, you can easily find inspiration for what to write about, since there's plenty of great topics that will fit your blog. Also, as you browse through Quora, you will find that people have provided long and detailed responses that you can then use as an inspiration for your article. There's a lot of information in Quora that you can use to write your articles. Number 5. Go to Google Docs. Google is a great web browser. Google Docs is a free software on the web that works similar to Microsoft Word. It is the primary tool for this video and also the key for getting tons of cash through writing articles. Using Google Docs is a very simple method and it won't take up too much of your time. Here is how you will go about it. First, open up your Google Chrome. You will then search Google Docs. A page of results will show up with several results at the top of the page. It's recommended that you choose the second one, and that will directly open up to your Google Docs. If you've already got a Google account, then you might be familiar with Google Docs. In a scenario where you've already got documents, but you want to create a new one, you will scroll to the bottom right of the page where you will see a plus button. Put your cursor over it and select Create a New Document, and click on the prompt. And there, you will have a new document. Now you'll be able to start from scratch and create your blog post. Google Docs is an excellent platform because it's free and you can utilize it to earn money, so try it out. Number 4. Speech to text. Speech to text is a tool built into Google Docs that allows you to speak into your microphone and the computer will type out what you're saying. It also makes everything super simple and fast, as you don't have to type anything, so you can earn quicker. It's also very easy to set up, and here's how it's done. Open Google Docs and go to the top tabs and select Tools under the Tools tab and select Voice Typing. After you click on that, a microphone symbol will appear. So what do you do with that? Well, click on it, and when the microphone symbol turns red, that's your cue to record your words. So you're going to start speaking what you want your article to say instead of typing words. It's very easy to use and will save you time. When you end your sentences, you've got to make sure that you say period to add a period to the documents. It also works for other symbols like commas. Text-to-speech is a great way to write your documents through Google Docs, so try it out and see how much time you can save. Number 3. Copy and paste segments. Using copy and paste commands is a great way that will help you increase your word count in your writing. Since some websites require specific word counts, while others will pay per word, you will require as many words as possible to meet this requirement, and this is why copy and pasting will help you out. It is important to note that you should not copy and paste an entire section. Instead, try to paraphrase the sections as often as possible. So, here's how you can do it. Go to Quora and find your answers. You will then see the answers section and choose a few answers that are suitable for your writing. Maybe it's a piece of good advice that you've read. Select a sentence or two that you want and hit Ctrl-C on a PC or Command-C on a Mac. Then go to your Google Docs page, press Ctrl-V on a PC or Command-V on a Mac to paste in the sentence. It is super simple and it will add to your word count on your document. Now, using this method, you can use it to compile and collect tips and bits of answers from Quora, and using that, you can help build up your blog post. It is super simple and will get you a ton of cash in no time. Number 2. Looking for more websites. Several websites pay to write articles for them. The internet has different ways you can earn simply by writing for blogs. One way you can expand on what you've already done with this list is by searching Get Paid to Write Articles on Google. A page will show up with different links and plenty of websites, and these offer lists of other websites that will pay you to write blog posts for them. This is a great and simple way to find more resources. Using Google, you can find all the sites whereby someone will pay you anywhere from $100 to $1,000 for a blog post. This is a great way to build up a side hustle and earn a part-time income to help supplement your primary source of income. Try it out because it can be super easy and lucrative. Number 1. Go to TextBroker. TextBroker is also a platform where you will get paid to write articles. You will have to sign up on their website for you to start writing articles. Their pay rates are decent, and they will even have a slider which will show you how much you will earn. They pay per word, so check out their website and sign up for free. Thank you for watching. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.